The WG185E comes with a NITRO brushless motor for tougher maintenance-free performance and longer runtime with two 4Ah power-shared batteries. It's a comfortable but tough trimmer with petrol-like power. It uses 2.4mm professional-grade wire in a dual-line head and has a large 38cm cutting swathe to cover the ground quickly. There's a clever bump feed mechanism to extend the line, and the quick load head allows you to renew the line with ease. It has an eco mode, user speed control and an onboard battery indicator. This model is designed for the toughest of environments. This is petrol-like power, but with less noise and no emissions. To assemble the grass trimmer, take the auxiliary handle and place it onto the upper shaft. Press downwards and then sideways until it clicks into position. Take the small black block and slide it into place between the shaft and the handle. Now take the long bolt and insert it down through the auxiliary handle. Turn the auxiliary handle over and screw the orange handle adjustment knob onto the end of the bolt. Join the two sections of the shaft together, making sure the pogo pin clicks into place. Place the safety guard on the underside near the cutting head so that the two screw holes line up underneath. Now tighten the screws with the supplied hex key. Check that you have charge in your power share batteries, and then slide the batteries into place either side of the handle. To turn the grass trimmer on, press the safety lock button on the handle and then press the on-off switch. You can adjust the speed of the motor by pressing or releasing the on-off switch. Whilst the motor is running, you have the option to select or deselect the eco button. This will conserve power and improve battery performance whilst it's on. You can automatically extend the dual line by bumping the cutting head on the ground. The line is automatically extended and you may hear a short clattering sound as the line extends and the line cutter removes any surplus line. When using your grass trimmer, at some point the wire on your spool is going to run out of line. To renew the line in the cutting head, turn the cutting head over so that the motor is upright. Now insert a hex key into the small hole on the top side of the cutting head. Rotate the cutting head in one direction until the hex key drops a little further and the cutting head locks into position. Holding the hex key in place, turn the cutting head over and rotate the head clockwise until it's removed from the main unit. The cutting head will need a supply of 2.4mm line from a reel. Take a 4-meter piece of line and feed it through an eyelet on the cutting head until it passes through and out of the eyelet on the other side. Adjust the line so that there is an equal amount of line on either side of the cutting head, in this case 2 meters on either side. Holding the base, turn the upper section of the cutting head in the direction indicated by the arrows, clockwise. It will click as it turns. The line will begin to wide on to the cutting head spool on both sides. Carry on until there is about 19 centimeters of line on either side still remaining. Now replace the cutting head back onto the main unit once again, using the hex key to lock the head in place and turning the cutting head in a counterclockwise direction until it tightens into place. With the line renewed in the cutting head, the grass trimmer is ready to go again. The line should always be renewed using this method to avoid problems with the line spool. This cordless grass trimmer from Worx is a NITRO model with a brushless motor, dual power share batteries and dual line cutting head using professional grade 2.4mm line. It's a tough and competent grass trimmer with petrol-like power, but with less noise and no emissions. Using a brushless motor, it has longer runtime and extended motor life and is ideal for larger gardens. So what other models could you consider? The 157E uses a 20-volt power share battery and is suitable for the smaller garden, offering a lightweight and comfortable design. And it's both a trimmer and a simple edger. The 157E is a great budget option. The 163E has an adjustable handle, an extendable shaft, has a single line spool and a 30cm cutting swathe. It's powered by a 20-volt power share battery, but it's now a grass trimmer and an edger. The 173E is our top-selling grass trimmer. It has all the features of the 163 but comes with a NITRO brushless motor for tougher, maintenance-free performance and longer runtime with a 4 amp-hour power-share battery. It's also 3 models in one: trimmer, edger and mini mower. The 183E is for the larger garden and has auto feed, an extended shaft and a wider 33cm cutting swathe. It's powered by two 2 amp-hour power-share batteries for longer runtime and is designed for stubborn wheat. You could go for our 2-in-1 combo kit, the WG185E, which includes our best-selling WG779E lawnmower and the WG157E grass trimmer. It includes 2 20-volt power-share batteries and a charger. Fantastic value for money. Whatever your needs, we'll have a model just for you. Thanks for watching.